Big. How's it, guys? Welcome to our new YouTube video. We'll basically be teaching you how to take out of a hard drive from a laptop. As you can see, there's no battery. Normally what you would do is, if there was a battery placed, push this to one side, it'll pop up, remove the battery. Next, you'll find that there's other platings here with all screws. You look for the one with the little CDs on the side here. This will be showing where your actual hard drive is placed. All you do is get the right tool, zip it, okay, as you can see it's come up, pop it up, there you have it. As you see, here's your hard drive. These plastic things are just there for safety precautions so you don't scratch the interior. Plastics here for static electricity. So all you do is put a screwdriver you've used, softly down, pull it up, pull it up. Don't pull it too far because you'll see there's a cable connected. This is connection for the data transfer. Just gently pull it up. Okay, as you can see now, we have the hard drive in our place. Got our secondary one which we're going to be replacing it with. You'll find screws on the side, 4 in total. Just quickly take those out. Make sure you don't lose them, because if you do, you can't really find replacements very easily. Okay, so now you'll check. It will come off quite easy. Now, just a little point. If you put, for instance, the hard drive the wrong way into the new casing, you'll see one, it won't fit very well, and two, the screwdrivers won't, or the screw holes won't line up at all. As you can see now, it's done properly, everything's clean, flush. Just start replacing screws very carefully. Okay, so just when taking the screws out, you can do it quite fast, but when putting the screws back in, take a little bit more care. You don't want to strip them or bend them in the wrong way. When placing the hard drive back, you might get problems. Okay, now that I've got my new hard drive set up, I take the cable in. Now remember the plastic was on the top. The reason for that is these chips here connect nicely into this connector here. You can see the connections on top, parallel, on opposite sides basically. What you do is you go to the last ones on the side and you gently place them in. There's a guidance chip there where you can show. There's a piece of plastic there that shows that that's the area it's supposed to clip into, not there. And what you do is carefully put it back into its sockets, make sure everything sits nicely, push it down, see the extra plastic using the trusty little screwdriver, set the hard drive back in its rightful place. And then put the top on, screw it back in, and then you can start the laptop up. Now if it's a brand new hard drive, you're obviously going to have to format, which you'll see in our next video. We'll show you how to format the hard drive. Thanks for joining us. Cheers, you guys.